In this tutorial, I will show you how to enable scrolling option in ZoomNotes. First, open ZoomNotes. In ZoomNotes, go to Setting option. Now select Drawing option, and under Drawing option, scroll down to Scroll Direction option. Here, make sure that Start Scroll with Gesture option is enabled. If not, then enable it. Here we can see two options in scroll direction, horizontal and vertical. First we take a look at horizontal option. So select horizontal. Now close the main menu and go to document. Now in document, long press with two finger and that's it. You get horizontal scrolling option enabled. Now you are able to scroll in right or left direction. For vertical scrolling, go again to main menu and under drawing option, go back to scroll direction. Now select vertical option and close main menu. And again open document and long press with two finger. And that's it, you get vertical scrolling option enabled. For disable scrolling option, long press again with two fingers and you get scrolling option disabled.